I'm in my 60s, 60 plus, 65, going on 66, and I am feeling like I'm 20. What? Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to your fitness and wellness today. I am Van Goss, and if this is your first time rocking with me, welcome. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, welcome back. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, the share button, and please leave your awesome comments. I have another awesome workout. This workout is just move. Just move. Improve your coordination, your agility, your memory, all the good stuff that goes into moving. Let's get into the workout. The first one is the box step. Yep. So what you're going to do is you're going to go 1, 2, step back, box step. Right? We're going to speed it up in just 1 minute. Got it? Box step. Give me box step. Give me box step. Give me box step. Now, speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try not to trip over your feet. Try not to trip over your feet. And anything you want to do with your hands. You can speed it up like that, or give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and tap. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you got to have that coordination. Watch. Make sure you don't trip over your feet, because I almost did, but I didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now, listen, don't try to keep count. Just move and enjoy yourself. Give me 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Okay? Box, step, step it back. All right. The next one is you're just going to shuffle side, shuffle side. Here's the special part of this. You're going to cross back, watch it, cross back. Use that when we go back. Okay? You'll see it. Are you ready? Here we go. And 1, and 2, and cross it back. Cross the arms. And 1, and 2, and here we go. 1, hey, and 2. Here we go. That's it. Give it to me. Enjoy yourself. Yes. Here we go. Yes. How'd that work out? Okay? It's that crossing back. Okay? Coordination. Hand-eye coordination. Let's do one more set. 8 more. Here we go. Shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. You notice I sped it up. Now, if it's too fast, just go at your own pace. That's what works. Get funky with it. Hey! Hey! And... Ha! High five! Pow! Now, the next one. Watch close. You're going to step forward. Right here, you're going to step forward, side, tap. 1, 2, 3. Forward, side. 1, 2, 3. I went back, right? Forward, side, step, 2, 3. Forward, side, step, back, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Got it? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, when we speed it up, you're gonna see it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like cha cha cha. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Now, you see how we did that? When we get to that cha cha cha, we're gonna make a jump. Cha cha cha. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hit it. 1. Now you don't have to put that hop in there. You can take it out. And yep. That's a good one, y'all. Okay, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. This one, you're gonna touch right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's easy for you. Put the hop in it. The foot going forward and back. Okay? Make no mistake. It's a workout. Ready? You don't have to jump if you don't want to, but add intensity when you do. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hop. Tap. Because we're going to the other side. Real quick. Pulse. Pulse it. Give those biceps a workout. Pulse it. Yeah. Pulse it. All right. Here we go. I'm out. And 1, 2. Hop it if you want to. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Yeah! Ooh! That's a workout. All right, just swing it. Swing it right there. Remember our mantra? How we go? I love my body and I will take care of it. Simple. You're gonna go, I love my body and I will take care of it. What is this doing? Biceps. When you go back, pull it back. Triceps. When you lift up, hip, lift up, right there in the glutes. Ready? I love my body. I will take care of it. Ready? Here we go. I love my body and I will take care of it. I love my body and I will take care of it. Rest it, because we're gonna do one more set. How you take care of your body is how you praise God, because this is the temple. And how you take care of that temple is showing God how grateful you are for what He's given you. Last set. Here we go. Yes. I know I'm going on longer, but listen, this bonus makes it better. 1 more, 2 more, 3 more. Here we go. And last one. Oh, you all. Such a good workout. Love you, love you, love you. High five. Bless your heart. Thank you so much for working out with me. This means everything. I am in my 60s, 60 plus, 65, going on 66, and I am feeling like I'm 20. What? Right? Let's stretch it out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Now hold it right there and just twist. Bring it back. Twist. Bring it back. Twist. Bring it back. See, you talk too far away. Twist. Bring it back. Again. Twist. Bring it back. Twist. Bring it back. Lean over, stretch, turn that foot out, and hold on to it. Yes. Hello. Breathe in. Breathe out, reach over. Grateful for every breath you take. Grateful for every move you're able to make. Breathe. Bring it all the way up. Now just stretch right in there. Look at me. You're doing good. Sometimes you got to push yourself even when you're going through tough times. You got to make it happen. Because self-care is health-care. You don't take care of you can't take care of anybody else. Other side. Breathe. Good. Other side. Breathe. Good. Come up to a wide angle. Stretch. Twist. Oh yeah. Other side. Twist. Breathe. Joy in every breath. Hands on the hip. Yeah! High five. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. It's just beautiful and wonderful to be alive. This is Van Goss, your fitness and wellness today. Please share it with a friend. Let somebody know. And until the next workout, oh, bye. Bye. Oh, bye.